Hold on to your hats. We're diving into the whirlwind of industrial revolutions. First up, the 18th century. The first industrial revolution kicked off in Britain with steam engines and textile mills. Factories multiplied and life was never the same again. Next, the second industrial revolution in the late 19th century. Think steel, electricity and the assembly line. This era gave birth to mass production and urbanization. Hello, skyscrapers. Then came the third industrial revolution in the late 20th century. Digital transformation was the name of the game. Computers, the internet and automation changed how we work and communicate. And now, welcome to the fourth industrial revolution. It's all about AI, robotics and biotechnology. The lines between physical and digital worlds are blurring fast. Each revolution reshaped society, economy and culture. And guess what? We're living through one right now. Stay curious and keep exploring history's big moments. That's a wrap on our whirlwind tour. Catch you in the next video, history buffs.